Hello, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I have a few things for you today, and we're going to see 2 subscriptions and some friend mail. So just hang on tight while we go through this. The first thing that I would like to say though is welcome to all my subscriber friends. I appreciate you each and every day, and if you're new here, be sure and click that subscribe, click that notification bell, and that way you'll know my next videos when they come out. We do all kinds of videos here: travel, decor, beauty, I guess fashion, beach style, just all kinds of boxes. And we do some, well, we just do all kinds of things here on this channel. We do collaborations, we have giveaways, and we have hauls. So guys, without any further ado, I want to show you a new box that I found on Cratejoy, and it was called the Gnome box. It's called No Matter What, and they've got a little thank you on their small little box, and it is a small little subscription. And we're going to check this out, and I'm going to tell you all about it once I get this open. I want to make sure that I don't break a chair or anything as I'm getting it open. This is a monthly subscription. It runs $20 a month. This is a sneaky peek because that's all that's in there pretty much is the Gnome. I don't see anything else. I just want to make sure there's nothing else in the paper. Inside here we've got our Gnome of the month, and of course it's for St. Patty's Day. And here we go. And I don't see that he has anything special. It says that they're supposed to come with a little special charm, but not today. But this was my Gnome, and this is the back side of it. And of course you got your wire. You can make his hat flop down or flap up. And like I said, there's not no special nothing. This is it. 20 bucks for this. 20 bucks for this Gnome. Hold on. This Gnome from TEMU was $2.18. The coffee Gnome there, sitting there with his hat on right here, he was $5 at TEMU. And then my gnomes in the background that are like little bunnies, those were $2.18. And this is my Gnome that I just got from TEMU that is for the Shamrock and or for St. Patty's Day. And this is what I got from No Matter What. Now, is it cute? Yes, it's adorable, I will have to say, and it's got a little special, glitter on there. And if you, pull the straight top, he might be 4 inches, but I mean, basically, he's not too much bigger than this one here. And after evaluating both of these, now this one has softer fabric, and it might be, better quality fabric than this one. But I mean, it's not that much difference as far as fabric goes. And it's not that, I mean, it's probably twice the size, maybe 3 times the size. Because he is a little bit smaller. This one is a little bit bigger. But here's my point. I don't think this subscription is worth $20 because by the time you pay shipping, I paid $29.99 for this No Matter What. I canceled when I seen the box. I didn't even open it. I thought to myself, when I seen the bill, because I got my credit card, I thought, that's not for me. I don't want to spend $30 on a little Gnome that I can get for $1.25, $2.18, $5, under $10 at Macy's and Belle's. I mean, Gnomes are everywhere, and I just can't justify one Gnome for $29.99. So although I think this guy's very cute, and I'll always remember him, especially his $29.99 price, I just, I would not recommend the subscription unless you are just really have a fetish for, gnomes, and you want specialness, something that you'd never see anywhere else, because you probably wouldn't. And just, is it a great value? I don't think it's a great value. Is it put together well? Yes. It's made very well. That much I can say. The quality is there, but it's just not something that I would buy. But I wanted to share it with you. It's new to my channel, but I don't think you'll be seeing it again. I saw the Easter one, and I just was not impressed. They do a sneak preview, and I just thought I can find something much cuter at the Dollar Tree or on TEMU, somewhere else. But anyway, this was No Matter What. Now, my next item that I have today is my Earfleek. That's right, my earrings have come in, and it's time to find out what we got for this month. I try to go with I think a classic boho chic type earring. Always comes in this pink little package. It runs about $3.49 a month. I get mine for like $2 and something because I do either an annual contract or a 6 months contract, but it's less by doing that. And I can see that they didn't pay attention to my likes and dislikes. But we got Starstruck, and their little stud earrings, it looks like. It says, "We already know you shine bright. Pair the Starstruck studs with any outfit or mix up with other studs to craft a unique ear stack." And I mean, if I had multiple ear holes, I guess that would be a cute thing. But this is definitely not something that I put down as something that I would like. I do not wear stud earrings. So this is a bust for me. I'll see if my granddaughter wants them because she does like to wear studs. I don't know if they're gold or silver. It's kind of hard to tell. But, you know, for $2 and something cents, that's not bad. But I'm going to have to email them and tell them not to send me studs. But they are adorable, and they would cost $15.99, and I wouldn't even pay $2 for them because I don't like to wear studs. Now, if I was buying it for my granddaughter, maybe I would spend the $15.99. But like I said, this I'm not happy with because it's not what I would want. It's not boho, it's not chic classic. I don't know. It's just like I said, not for me. And I'm going to be sure and let them know. But that was my Earfleek. Earfleek normally sends me hooped earrings or dangly earrings, which that's what I prefer. And this is the first time that I know of that they sent me studs. So I don't know if this was an error in shipping, calibrating my order, but I definitely got to get in there and let them know that. But that was Earfleek. And if you're interested, I will have a coupon down below and or a link. If the coupon doesn't work, well, all I can say is I'm going to try to make sure it's the most current. They switch those up on us. They expire them. We have no control over that. If you can't use the code, then perhaps they'll have something on the site when you go. But I mean, for $3 and something a month, that's not too bad if you go month to month. That was my Earfleek. So we got our 2 subscriptions out of the way. They were both small. And I want to share some friend mail. I got some more friend mail from I don't want to show his address, from Dream Big Productions, Plush Bat Fan, and this here says thank you. So maybe I'll start with this one and see what's in the thank you bag. It's flat, so you know he sends us all kinds of things. I just want to make sure I don't do anything to the package that would ruin whatever's inside. Inside this package is warranty cards for yours to keep as souvenirs. Have a wonderful month of February from Dream Big Productions, Plush Bat Fan. Now, he probably sent this to me in February, and I just hadn't had a chance to get it up. But we have some warranty cards, and this is good, then bad. Those are kind of cute. And he usually sends retro things that's a warranty from a retro product. So there is the information that's on the inside. And I was going to see, it says the product has a 2-year warranty, but I don't know necessarily what the product is, but I've got that to keep. And then the next one is in another language, which I would not be able to read. Let me see if there's any English on here. Yes, since 1941, Coach has built reputable quality of craftsmanship. So this is Coach and their warranty of their craftsmanship and their care. So thank you, Plush Bat Fan. That's very interesting. And of course, I have your note also to save as a souvenir. That's very nice. Thank you. You come up with the most unique things to send out to us. If you don't know Dream Big Productions, Plush Bat Fan, he does have a channel. It's a gaming channel, and it's something that you might be interested in. I would say go over and check him out. He sends all kinds of little cute goodies and souvenirs to many of us. And then, of course, he has his gaming channel. Now inside here looks like we have, inside this package is a coupon magazine from autumn season 2022 for yours to keep. Keep as a souvenir from Dream Big Productions Plush Bat Fan. And that's what's on the back. And it is a Clipper coupon. It's a Clipper magazine. And I don't know if I told y'all that in the last deal, but I used to do magazines like this. I had one here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and then I did one down in South Texas that was huge for Brownsville, Corpus Christi, McAllen, Laredo, all that South Texas area. I had a huge territory down there, and I worked for a company with that one. But here in the Dallas area, I had my own. After all that experience, I knew how to do it. So I had a magazine similar to this, like I said, in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Mostly on the east side of Dallas. And some of these advertisers were some of the ones that I seen either in my advertisements or in other advertisements that was competing with me. So very nice. Thank you very much for sharing this with us. I really appreciate it. It's got all kinds of coupons in there, from sunrooms to garage doors. And then they always have food coupons. I think that was on the front. Food's always one of the number one things for coupons. And this one is called the Clipper. So, and I don't know, it's September 22. I'm not sure what area that it's from. He's in the Arizona area. So yeah, it's from Arizona because that's where he's from. So hey, very nice. Well, thank you very much for this reminder and this remembrance. And I don't know for sure if you knew that that's the type of mailer business that I used to do back in the 90s and into all the way to 2008. I worked from them from 93 to 98, and then I moved here to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I continued to work for them because I worked the Dallas-Fort Worth area for them. And then I guess I left. They hit the towers. That was when my first magazine was coming out, and I had to postpone it because, you know, the whole country shut down for a week whenever that happened at the Twin Towers in New York City. I'll never forget that day, and I know you won't either. But anyway, I started my own magazine here and was successful with it for about 10 years, and then I went off into breeding puppies. So tell me, how do you go from this to that? I don't know, but I did. One way is because I love dogs, and so that made it a little easier. But thank you very much, Plush Bat Fan. I appreciate you thinking of me and sending me these souvenirs. And again, as a recap, I want to show you our stud earrings. I've already put them back inside here. They were just little stars, and as you already know, I'm not too happy about them, so it was not my favorite. It might be yours, and that's okay. It's just not my style. And then I got this nice gnome for $30, basically, $29.99. Will I do this again? No, definitely not. And I wouldn't recommend it unless, like I said, you just love this type of, I guess, oddity, this type of rare items. I don't know, I just have a hard time swallowing. Even on a contract at 6 months, it's like $19. So I mean, like, you're not even saving that much in the shipping, and it's not their fault that shipping's so high, but because of the shipping, it even topples it over to a ridiculous amount, in my opinion. Especially when it's light enough, it probably could have shipped first class for $6 and something, but you know, they still have to buy the box, they still have to have packaging. And I will have to say, this one did not come with a special souvenir. It was supposed to have this and some type of special souvenir, which didn't show up. So anyways, I would stick with TEMU or Dollar Tree or Family Dollar or Target, Macy's. Any of those stores are going to have little gnomes for a lot less than $30. All right, guys, I learned my lesson. That's all I have today. I appreciate you all being here. Let me know if you had a favorite of any of these and your thoughts on the prices and or the studs. And what do you think about my little souvenirs from the Plush Bat Fan? Thanks again. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways, any collaborations that are going on. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.